In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment section to the new Google Sites, a 2025 pro tip in just 5 minutes. Whether you want to engage visitors or gather feedback, adding a comment section can transform the interactivity of your site. Let's jump right in and learn how to achieve this quickly and efficiently. First, you'll need to visit Disqus. Disqus is a popular platform for managing comments on websites, offering tools that make it easy to integrate discussion forums seamlessly onto your site. Once you are on the Disqus webpage, you'll need to locate and click the Sign Up button. It should be easy to spot on their homepage. For convenience, choose to sign up using your Google account. This option is not only quick, but also saves you the hassle of remembering another set of login credentials. Now that you're signed into Disqus, it's time to get your site set up. You'll find a space labeled website name. Here, you simply need to type the name of your website. This step helps categorize the comments accordingly. As you proceed, you will notice an option to select a category for your site. Choose the category that best fits the content of your website. Selecting the right category is crucial as it helps in organizing and optimizing comments specific to your area of interest or industry. Next, initiate the site setup by clicking on Create Site. This step finalizes your site's creation on Disqus, and it's a simple click, but it signifies that your site is now ready to allow user interactions through comments. Keep tabbing through the prompts until you see Acknowledge. You'll want to click on it to confirm that you are following Disqus's guidelines and terms of service. In the following steps, you'll need to look for the option that says, I don't see my platform listed, install manually with Universal Code. Choosing this leads you to a page where you can see and copy the universal code provided by Disqus. This code is critical as it forms the bridge between Disqus and your Google site. Head over to your Google site now. Once you're there, enter edit mode. You'll see an embed option. Click on it and a window will appear. This is where you'll paste the Disqus code you just copied. By clicking on embed code within this window, you allow the code to interact with your web page. Paste the code into the provided space and proceed by clicking next. Finally, the last step calls for a simple click on Insert. And there you have it.